Let's take a quick look at functions and determining where they are increasing and decreasing. Of course, they could also be constant. Well, we look at the x values as the x values get bigger. So we're going from left to right with the x values. If the y values are going up or getting bigger, then that means that the function is increasing. Now, if we take those same x values, going from left to right again, and the y values are getting smaller, then we call that decreasing. C, and this is, we're going to take a look at that, where these increasing and decreasing values change is called a critical value. And the critical value occurs where the derivative is equal to 0 or it's undefined. And as we already know, it's equal to 0 when we have a horizontal tangent line. So we know we're going to get some critical values at each of these min and maxes on these graphs down below. So let's determine in these two pictures of graphs where they are increasing and where they are decreasing. Take a look at the points. So here, this is happening. This is -3. That's the x value. This guy's x value is 3. So this is the point, 3, -2. This is the point, -1, 22. And this is a graph of the function itself. This guy is increasing on certain intervals and decreasing on others. And we write them as intervals of x values. So let's take a look what's happening. As x goes from left to right, these y values are getting larger, so that means from -3 all the way to this guy's x value, on this interval, this function is increasing. So it is increasing from -3 to -1. I cut it up from left